lovelies, welcome back. I took a small break for the holidays, but we are finally back with a new video, and it's a super exciting one. Today I have some more products from Instylish to share with you. They were kind enough to send some more items over for me to review for you guys and give my opinions on. So we have a couple different things we're going to go over today, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this video is going to be more eye-based, hence why I already have kind of my base products on. The first thing we have here is the Not Basic brush set. It does come in this little mesh bag, which is great for travel. I thought that was nice. A lot of times brushes don't come with anything to store them in, and you just gotta stick them in with the rest of them. But this is a set of 4 brushes here. And they're kind of a rose gold metal, and then they come to a little brown handle piece. It doesn't say what like the names of the brushes are, but we have a small little angled brush. We have more of our fluffy crease brush, and then we have kind of 2 more flat dense brushes. So one is obviously much bigger, and then a smaller one. And these are really soft. They feel really nice, very lightweight. They're not heavy. Yeah. So that is the brushes, and I will put the prices of everything up here as I go along. To go along with the brushes, they did send a cute little brush holder. And so it's basically like a little box. It is double-sided, so you could use it. I'm pretty sure in the pictures online they had it sitting up and then going like diagonal out of it. My preference, I would just use it this direction. And it's just a bunch of little kind of rubbery silicone bristles, I guess is how you would describe them. And you just put your brushes in between the bristles to hold it. So it's almost like, it looks like a flower planter box, except for brushes. So all of those fit. I do want to try, let's put one of my bigger brushes in just to see. And yeah, it'll hold that too. So it can hold any size of brush. It did come in, I think, 3 different colors. I know there was a black and pink. I chose to go with this kind of light pastel pink color. So yeah, that's really cool. It's always nice to have something to hold your brushes in. I definitely recommend having something, because you get to a point where you have so many brushes, and if they're all just like laying, it's impossible to find them. So I definitely recommend brush storage. So if you're looking for one, maybe this is what you've been looking for. And then the last thing we have here is a pair of false lashes. They do come in this really nice little box that like magnets closed, which is super nice. And then you have the lashes inside, and it's got like a super cute glitter background behind it, and I can tell it's messing up the lighting on my camera. Let me see if I can pop them out. Oh yeah, it comes with a little string here, which is cool to help you pop it out. And then this is the style of lashes I picked. They had a bunch of different styles on the website. These are the, let me double check really quick. The Wink Lover Lash 01 is the number. They're just kind of really fluttery, pretty romantic kind of thing. I'm terrible at describing them, but yeah, super pretty. And they actually look really nice. They feel soft. They don't look super kind of waxy or fake like false lashes can sometimes. So I'm excited to try these out. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into, we're just gonna do a really simple little kind of bronzy smoky eyeshadow look today. We're gonna try and use all the brushes. I'm just going to be jumping into my original Jaclyn Morphe palette because it has my favorite bronze shades, which you probably already know because I feel like I use it all the time. So we're going to start with our little crease brush right here, and we're just going to jump into a nice kind of transition shade. I don't want to do too much layering, so I'm going to jump into this shade right here, which is the shade Pukey, on our little blending brush. Okay, so now that we have our crease all blended out, this brush did work really nice. Since I was using it for a bigger space, I had to work a little bit more, but this would be a great brush for like detail crease work. So yeah, I will definitely be using this in the future because I feel like I don't have enough really small crease brushes. But yeah, anyways, moving on to the next step, we're going to take a deeper shade to build up on our outer corner. And I'm going to go in with the shade Buns, which is this one right here. And we're going to take this on our bigger of the two packing brushes, and we are going to build this up in our outer V area. Alright, so that brush picks up a lot of product. It actually makes filling in your outer V area very easy because it is larger. I mean, you can just place it and you're pretty much done. Yeah, so worked really well. We're gonna go ahead and put a more shimmery shade on the lid. My outer V shade was a little bit more red than I thought, so rather than like a bronze, we're gonna go with one that's a little bit more red toned, the shade SBN right here. And we are going to try this one. God, I try and sit my palette down and it just pushes everything everywhere because my desk is a mess. Okay, we're going to take our smaller of the little flat brushes. Ooh, it actually picked up quite a bit of pigment, usually with kind of more glittery, shimmery shades. Brushes don't like to pick them up, so that's actually a promising sign. And then we're just going to put this on our lid area. So that actually applied to that shimmer shade really well, especially for being dry. I think it did a great job. I am going to jump back with my little fluffy brush and just pull some of that Buns shade through the crease here. Okay, so just out of curiosity, I do want to see how this same brush we used for the lid shade works to apply highlight. Since those shades are a little bit more shimmery and creamy, we're going to see how it applies to those. So I'm going to jump in with the shade Enlight right here and highlight our inner corner and our brow bone with this shade. Okay, and then we are going to do just a little bit of liner with a dark brown shadow using the shade Central Park, which is the kind of deep chocolatey brown. And we're going to take that on our little angled brush here. Okay, we're going to take that Buns shade again on our little fluffy brush and just buff that out on our lower lash line. Alrighty, we're going to pop on some mascara really quick and then we will apply our lashes. While that's drying, I'm going to quickly apply some blush and highlighter. Okay, so these lashes are, the lash band is really long, so you'll definitely want to measure them and cut them to size before you put them on. That's an important step whenever you get a new pair of false lashes. So just make sure they fit your eye before you try and put them on, or you will have a bad time. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and pop these lashes on. All right, there are the lashes on. They are so pretty. They are definitely bigger than the ones that I normally wear, but they look so like soft and fluffy. Almost like an angelic kind of look, I think. But yeah, I actually love them. I was a little scared because they're so big, but I think they look great. They weren't hard to apply. Like I said, the lash band was longer than other pairs I've tried, so definitely measure it before you put them on. But I think the quality is really great. Easy to apply. The lash bands aren't super chunky or uncomfortable or anything like that. And they are gorgeous. Like, I might have to go buy some more lashes. I love these. All right, I'm going to quickly pop on a little lip gloss here, and then we will be all done. All right, you guys, so here is the finished look. I'm super happy with the products that they sent. I love the lashes. Are probably my favorite thing, and I thought they weren't going to be because, like I said, really big lashes aren't usually my thing. But like, I can't stop looking in the mirror. I'm obsessed with how they look. But yeah, super good quality, super affordable. All of the products are super affordable. The brushes worked amazingly. The brush holder works great if that's something that you're in the market for. And I actually want to try. Yeah, you could totally, if you wanted to use both sides of this thing, you could store them at more of a diagonal. This one doesn't want to do it now that I said that. And store like twice the amount of brushes in it. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, you can use the code LEXI10 for 10% off your first purchase. I would definitely recommend trying out any of these products if you're interested in trying them out. I think that they are worth it and they are very affordable. I just want to say thank you again to Instylish for sending me these products to review. I am so grateful for that. And please leave any comments or video requests down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go. And I will see you guys all in my next video.